Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Usually I try to focus on art and other things for my channel, but you know, that honestly did not make any sense. So I'm going to be doing something today that I've been wanting to do for quite some time. Now I've been using this laptop. It's an HP Omen and I got it last year and it's been able to handle a lot of the things that I throw at it, but it's still not fast enough and I've had a few issues with it, and it's just about time to build the PC of my dreams. Now I've researched for a few months through YouTube and I've figured out most of the stuff, but luckily I have a few roommates that have built their own PCs and they've really helped motivate me and even helped pick out my parts for my PC build that we're gonna do today. So today I have my roommate Ryan. He's gonna help me and supervise me, make sure I'm doing it right since this is my first PC build. And anyways, without further ado, here's the parts list. An X399M Tachi motherboard, Ryzen Threadripper X1920 processor, a Lictech TR4 liquid cooler, NVIDIA RTX 2070, 32 gigs of Trident Z DDR4 RAM, a Samsung 970 M2 memory 500 gigabytes, EVGA 750 watt G3 power supply, and to hold it all together, a Cooler Master Q300L. Alright guys, so it's about time to build this PC, so roll the time lapse.
Perfect.
So the computer is built and I've been using it for a few days now and it is absolutely incredible. I've been currently editing this video that you're watching right now on my new computer and it's been pretty flawless. I was very apprehensive to build a PC, but now after having had put one together, it's a lot easier than you'd think. A lot of people buy their computers in the store because it's just easiest. All they have to do is just pay for it and that's it. But without knowing anything about computers, sometimes you can kind of get ripped off at the stores if you don't know what parts are good and what parts actually work together. So you can get into a lot of trouble with that. I actually went through 3 laptops before I ended up on the laptop that I currently own. And there was a lot of manufacturing errors and it just was kind of a nightmare. So to build my own PC, to say the least, is very pleasant. And the nice thing about building your own PC is if it starts to run slow within a few years, then you just upgrade and spend a little bit of money for a new part instead of having to buy a whole entire new computer. So if you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos, and I assure you there's going to be a lot more art videos to come. I have a little list of a few videos that I'm going to be doing pretty soon, and I'll be back to my normal stuff, art stuff that I do. So if you guys want to keep up to date with my artwork and the other videos that are going to be coming out, check out my Instagram right here, and you can look at stuff, I guess. I mean, I have cool things on my Instagram, super cool artwork. So if you guys have any ideas or suggestions for a future video, just send me a message through Instagram and I'll be sure to look at it. So So anyways, thanks guys so much, and I'll catch you next time.